on today's episode of Diabetes Par Charcha from the Diabetes Conference happening at Yashobhoomi, Delhi. We have with us our renowned Dr. Alka Chadha from Mumbai. Welcome, ma'am. We have great pleasure hosting you. Today, on the eve of World Diabetes Day, can you please give a message for our audience on the same?
Yes. So diabetes causes a lot of stress, and that is called diabetic stress. In addition to all the other stresses, he has the stress of whether I'm going to get the complications, how I'm going to control my diabetes, should I eat this, should I not eat this, should I walk, should I not walk, how much should I walk. My only answer to this problem is accept your diabetes. Think about it from your mind point of view. The treatment of diabetes starts in your mind. And when you think from your mind and when you say that yes, this is good for me and this is not good for me, when you accept diabetes the way it is and you make it your friend, you can take action by controlling your mind. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm very sure our viewers will definitely benefit from this. For more information about diabetes and its management, you can Facebook, and also we are available on Instagram, YouTube and Twitter. Thank you.
Thank you very much.